Today we are taking you on a very special tour of the recently completed International Conference Center ICC in Enugu State, a project that's been the talk of the town and a key highlight in the state's drive for development. Now, if you haven't already seen this architectural gem, you're in for a treat. Standing tall and majestic, the ICC is a testament to Enugu's commitment to hosting world-class events and boosting its status as a major hub for conferences, summits, and cultural gatherings. Let's take a quick look around and show you what this magnificent center has to offer. As we walk in, you're greeted by an impressive facade and modern design that speaks volumes about the state's vision for excellence. Inside, the conference center boasts a massive main hall equipped with state-of-the-art technology capable of accommodating thousands of attendees. From LED displays to advanced sound systems, everything here screams sophistication. But that's not all. The ICC is surrounded by other ambitious projects, including a 5-star hotel and a presidential hotel. While these aren't fully completed just yet, you can see the hustle and bustle of construction happening in real time. Workers and machines are at full force here, pushing to meet deadlines and ensure these complementary facilities come to life as soon as possible. All thanks to the Governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter Mba. The strategic importance of this project cannot be overstated. With the completion of the ICC and the upcoming hotels, Enugu State is positioning itself as a key destination for high-profile events, drawing in business, tourism, and significant economic benefits. It's clear that the state government is sparing no effort in making this vision a reality. As we take a walk around the construction site, you can see cranes towering, workers moving materials, and engineers supervising each step to ensure that quality standards are met in this project. It's exciting to witness such a large-scale transformation right before our very eyes. So, while the 5-star and presidential hotels are not quite ready to welcome guests just yet, one thing is certain: progress is definitely happening here, and it's happening so fast. Enugu's development push is more than just a plan on paper. It's a living, breathing effort with visible results. That wraps up our quick tour for today. We'll continue to keep you updated on the completion of this project and even more. Thank you for tuning in to Ebonyi People TV, and we'll see you next time.